Hello, welcome to Acti Learning Music. My name is Neander Reed and I'm the teacher that will take you through the Acti Learning Music course. So this is covering piano and keyboard, and basically you'll be learning all the notes of the treble clef from middle C upwards, with step-by-step examples, with backing tracks that you can play along to. I'll show you how to play them on the piano, and then we go through examples, encouraging good sight reading and good listening as well. I'll be learning how to play and read lots of different chords, which should help you learn all of your favourite music. We'll be learning how to play in different keys, which is a very important skill. As well as that, we'll also be doing some improvising, where you'll be learning how to create your own melodies using different keys and different templates. We go through lots of different examples of this, of how to play those. We also learn how to harmonise melody, which is adding chords, which is really great for playing by ear. As well as that, we learn how to read music on sight. So if you go through the course, you'll also be learning scales, all the scales that you need. Well, most of the scales that you need for beginner level. Okay, I take you through all of the different examples of how to play them. We've got lots of different types of music. So we've got really groovy pieces, Latin music. We have classical music. It does get quite complicated. We learn some music that includes quavers, different rhythms, and all that music theory is taught alongside in this course. So I really hope you choose Acti Learning and that you enjoy it.